Most people waste money on Sling TV because they pick the wrong plan. And the worst part is they usually realize it after missing the channels they actually wanted. Here's the truth no one tells you. Sling TV Orange and Sling TV Blue look similar at first, but they are built for completely different viewers. In this video, you'll learn the exact differences between Sling Orange and Sling Blue, which channels matter most, which plan is better for sports, families, and local channels, and the one mistake that makes people upgrade unnecessarily. Let's answer the biggest question immediately. If you mainly watch ESPN and Disney-owned sports channels, choose Sling Orange. If you want more channels, better local coverage, and more simultaneous streams, choose Sling Blue. That's the short version. But here's where it gets interesting. The better plan depends entirely on how many people watch TV in your house and what channels you actually use. Let's break this down clearly. Sling Orange focuses heavily on ESPN content. You usually get ESPN, ESPN2O, and Disney-related channels included. That makes Orange popular with college football fans, NBA viewers, and people who watch live sports regularly. But there's a catch. Orange usually allows only one stream at a time. This is where most people fail. They sign up because they want ESPN, then someone else in the house tries watching another channel at the same time and gets blocked. That becomes frustrating very quickly. Now compare that to Sling Blue. Blue usually offers more total channels, including channels like Fox News, MSNBC, NFL Network, FS1, and additional entertainment networks. And importantly, Sling Blue supports multiple simultaneous streams. For families or roommates, that can completely change the experience. Imagine Jake watching NFL highlights in the living room, while his kids watch cartoons upstairs. Sling Blue handles that better than Orange. But here's the problem. Blue does not include ESPN. That single difference decides the plan for many users. If ESPN matters to you, Orange instantly becomes more attractive. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide between Orange and Blue in under 30 seconds. But first, let's talk pricing. Sling TV became popular because it costs less than YouTube TV, Hulu Live TV, and DirecTV Stream. Both Orange and Blue are usually priced similarly, but combining them into the Orange plus Blue package costs more. And this is exactly where Sling tries to upsell people. A lot of users start with one package, then realize they want channels from the other plan too. Suddenly they upgrade to both. At that point, the savings versus other streaming services becomes smaller. So before signing up, you need to know what channels actually matter to you. Let's compare sports first because that's usually the biggest deciding factor. Sling Orange is stronger for ESPN fans. College sports, Monday Night Football, NBA coverage, and UFC events all lean heavily toward ESPN access. Sling Blue is stronger for NFL Network and Fox Sports viewers. Now here's where things get tricky. Some sports fans actually need both plans. For example, John watches college football on ESPN, but also wants NFL Network and FS1 during football season. One plan alone may not fully cover him. This is why some users combine Orange and Blue temporarily during sports seasons, then downgrade afterward. That strategy can actually save money if you plan carefully. Now let's talk local channels because this surprises many first-time users. Sling TV does not offer local channels as broadly as YouTube TV or Hulu Live TV. Availability depends on your area. Sling Blue usually has better local coverage than Orange, especially for Fox and NBC in certain cities. But many users still need an antenna for full local access. That's important. If you expect complete local channel coverage automatically, Sling may disappoint you. And this is one reason some viewers eventually switch to Hulu Live TV or YouTube TV, despite the higher price. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Sling TV works best for targeted viewers. Not everyone. If you know exactly which channels you watch, Sling can save you serious money. But if you want everything in one place without thinking about it, Sling becomes less convenient. For example, Alex mainly watches ESPN, TNT, and a few entertainment channels. Sling Orange works perfectly and costs less than bigger services. But Sarah wants local channels, unlimited family streaming, regional sports, and broad entertainment access. Sling starts becoming complicated for her. That's the key difference. Sling rewards selective viewers. Other streaming services reward convenience. Now let's compare simultaneous streams, because this matters more in 2026 than ever before. Sling Orange gives you one stream. 1.0. That means if somebody else logs in while you're watching, you may get interrupted. Sling Blue supports multiple streams, which makes it far better for households. This is why many families skip Orange completely, unless ESPN is essential. And here's another thing people ignore. Device flexibility. Sling works on smart TVs, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, phones, tablets, Xbox, and browsers. The app is lightweight and fast on most devices. But some users feel the interface is less polished compared to YouTube TV or Hulu Live TV. That may not matter to you. But for older family members or less tech-savvy users, simpler navigation can make a huge difference. Now let's talk DVR. Sling includes DVR functionality, but storage limits and features may vary depending on the package and promotions available. Compared to unlimited DVR systems from competitors, Sling feels more basic. But for casual viewers, it usually works fine. And honestly, many users barely use DVR anymore, because streaming libraries are so large. Now here's the easiest way to choose between Orange and Blue. Choose Sling Orange if you care mainly about ESPN, live sports and lower-cost solo streaming. Choose Sling Blue if you want more channels, multiple streams, better local coverage, and stronger family use. Choose Orange plus Blue only if you genuinely need channels from both sides. And this is critical. Do not upgrade emotionally. A lot of people panic because one missing channel sounds important. Then they pay more every month for channels they barely watch. Before upgrading, ask yourself this simple question. Will I actually watch this channel weekly? If the answer is no, keep your cheaper plan. That single habit can save hundreds yearly. Now let's compare overall value. Sling Orange offers better value for sports-first viewers on a budget. Sling Blue offers better value for shared households and broader entertainment. Neither is objectively better. It depends entirely on your priorities. And remember this. Sling TV is designed differently from premium live TV services. It's not trying to replace every cable feature perfectly. It's trying to give you flexibility and lower pricing. If that matches your needs, Sling becomes a great option. If you want maximum simplicity, full local channels and every network in one package, another streaming service may fit better. So before you sign up, make a short list of the channels you actually watch every week. Not the channels you might watch. The ones you truly use. That will instantly tell you whether Orange, Blue, or another service makes the most sense. If this video helped you finally understand the difference between Sling Orange and Sling Blue, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the channels you absolutely cannot live without. And if you want more streaming comparisons that help you save money without missing your favorite shows, check out the next video now.